And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut these in half horizontally. But watch, I want to show you something here. A lot of times when you're doing this, you know what I mean? When you're cutting something horizontally, what happens? You cut it and it goes into a wedge. You have it like it's on an angle. Here's the problem is what's happening when people do that. I'm going to give you a trick so that doesn't happen to you again. Okay, I'm going to move you back here a little bit more and move this back a little bit more. Normally when that happens, when you get the wedge, right, where it's on an angle, is people are cutting it. So they're taking their knife and they're cutting it horizontally. But what they're doing, you can't really see in this angle, but they're looking at the back edge of the knife where my hand is. What I want you to do instead, and sorry, let me take a step back. By watching the back edge where your hand is, right, nothing is controlling the tip of the knife. So the tip of the knife could be going down, could be going up, it could be going all wonky. So what I want you to do instead, first of all, your hand flat on the top, not like this because you're going to cut your fingers off, but your hand flat. Get the starting point where you're halfway, okay? But then look what I'm doing right now. I'm leaning forward to keep my eye on the tip of the knife. My hand will follow suit. So the rest of the knife will follow suit to what that tip is doing. So all you need to do is just bend over and look at what the tip of the knife is doing and making sure that's straight. And by doing that, guess what? You're going to cut it perfectly in half every single time. Okay, that's your way. That's never going to happen to you again. So whether it's a hamburger bun, whether it's, you know, anything where you have to cut horizontally like that, just always lean forward and watch the point of the knife.